Hey guys, it's Miss Savannah coming at you with the literary lexicon with some more terms. Today we're going to talk about symbols. Symbols, not like the things that you clash when you're in band, but symbols are things that often are both literal and metaphorical. And so what I mean by that is that there's an object that we might have that we place value on that to us means something more than it might mean to somebody else. So, for instance, a symbol for you might be something that somebody gave you and that is a gift. So someone else might see it and think it's just, it's just a thing. It's just nothing that's any big deal. Let me give you an example. I have lots of things that people give me, and I love things that students give me that have some sort of meaning. So I have this, and you can see that it's an and sign. This is actually called an ampersand. And this is not just a paperweight. It's really heavy, but it's not just a paperweight, and it's not just an and sign. For me, it reminds me that I play many roles, and that while I play one role, each role affects other roles. And this came to be important to me when I decided that I was going to be open and talk about my faith, my religion, and the Christian faith. That because I'm a teacher, I can also be a Christian. I don't have to separate those two things. I have to separate church and state, and I can't talk about it legally in class, but that doesn't mean that I can't identify as that. So this is a reminder that I can be both. Instead of this or that, I am a this and that. So there's a lot of other things that I am an and of. So if you look down here on the screen, it says a symbol is a person, place, or object that stands for something beyond itself. So we have three pictures of stars there. So they're all stars, but they all mean different things. So the first one is the blue star, and that is the Star of David. The Star of David is a symbol for the Jews from their religion, the Jewish religion, and those people that were the chosen people under the King David in the Bible. So that star is the star that is also, I believe, on the Israeli flag. I could be wrong on that one. The next star, if you look at it right down there, is one that you might see on a map. So that map star actually tells us north, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. Well, whatever. So it's a star that tells us where we are in relation to other things. And the last star that you can see, and it's backwards, says Johnny Depp. So it is a star that you would see on the ground in Hollywood. So it tells us an actor or a celebrity. Those are all stars that mean different things, but a star might mean something completely different to you. A shooting star can symbolize something else. Different kinds of stars are all over the place, and we use them all the time. In my classroom, I have stars like there, and you can see that that star is a star from Hamilton, and Hamilton has the star at the bottom where he's got his finger pointing up. So that's another example of a star. Okay? So those are symbols that stand for something. They're the thing they are, a star, and they are also something else. That's what a symbol is. And they're really important in literature.